hustle, get my money. Oh, all I see is signs, all I see is dollar signs.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very exciting challenge. I think it is a challenge, right? I watched a couple of YouTubers do this video and I thought that it would be fun if I would try it out. So basically I'm going to let you guys pick everything, like all the decisions I make, like for example makeup, hair, food, like every little tiny decision you guys are gonna choose for me, which is kind of cool because that way I can just relax and you guys pick everything for me. But let's see how it goes. Hopefully it's not a fail. So the first poll is makeup. You guys are gonna pick if I should do natural or glam makeup. And as you guys can tell, I already have makeup on. But right now, when I finish doing the intro, I'm gonna go and take a shower. That way I can be nice and fresh and start nice and clean. So I'm going to put the poll right now and I'm going to be asking you guys if I should do natural makeup or glam. I think I'm just going to put a little picture of my palettes because I don't feel like putting a picture of myself. And I'm going to ask you guys natural or glam.
A few moments later.
So a couple of minutes have passed. First natural makeup was winning, but as of now glam makeup is winning. Sadly, I didn't want to do full-on glam makeup, but that's fine. I'm gonna do that when I get out of the shower. So I'll be right back with a clean face, and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my face is nice and prepped, I'm going to go with the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and I'm going to put that only in the areas because I don't know about you all, but once when I put this all over my face and it felt my makeup was so greasy, and so I'm just gonna put it on the spots where I really need it, which is right here in my nose. That's where my pores are crazy. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that's all that I do for to prep my face. Next I do my eyebrows and then I start with everything. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go do the natural glam makeup and then I'll be back.
A few moments later.
Okay, so next, while I was doing my makeup, once I was already almost finishing putting my lip gloss and stuff, I decided to put the second poll, which is the second poll? Yeah, the second poll for my hair. So let me check. So the second poll is if I should have straight hair or a high ponytail. And let's see. Okay, I'm kind of happy, to be honest. A high pony. My shoulder hurts really bad. So 51% it was the high ponytail. So it was kind of like a tie, almost a tie. But yeah. And then right now, meanwhile I'm doing my hair, I'm going to put the poll for the outfit. So I have my hairspray and I have my brush. So let's get started. I suck at doing high ponytails, even though I would do ponytails every Friday when I was in high school, when there was football games and stuff. Hi guys. Okay, so I already did my ponytail as best as I could. I think it's a bit crooked, but it's alright. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys really quick the two outfits. I think this is outfit number 1 or is that for 2? Yeah, this is outfit number 1. I didn't do any fancy, I know some YouTubers did really cute boomerangs and stuff. I did not. I just put them in my floor and I took a picture. So this is outfit 1. It's just a black crop top and it's from PacSun. Yes, I forgot the name. PacSun. And tight pants, and they're so cute. It even comes with a little belt, and they're from Fashion Nova. The second outfit was this white two-piece that's also from Fashion Nova, and it's this white crop top with the white shorts with the red little bag. The fanny pack. Is that what it's called? I honestly didn't know what outfit was gonna win because I love both outfits. But surprisingly, outfit number 1, which is the camel pants, won by a long run. It won by 69%. 69%, which is a lot for me. I thought it was going to be almost tied, 51% like that, but no. Okay guys, so right now I'm with this annoying ass guy, and I'm going to ask you all if we should go to the outlets or to the mall, which is kind of similar, but I low-key hope that you all pick the mall because I don't feel like being outside. Do you feel like being outside?
Yes. I was outside for 30 minutes waiting for Abby to get ready.
I put the poll already, and damn, this camera's heavy.
Well,
I checked before I started recording and it was 50-50, so, but it's still 50-50. Never mind. It's 56% mall, so, oh, that was an ugly angle. So, we're going to the mall. Okay guys, so I put the poll if I should spoil myself for Danny, and 100% people were to spoil me. And Danny's acting all awkward because we're filming in front of a lot of people, so.
I'm not acting awkward. I'm just looking at the mottos.
Except, like, literally before I started recording, I checked and one guy voted for Danny. Woo! Woo!
Dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing.
If it's meant to be. Okay guys, so Danny brought me back to my little corner because he did not want me to embarrass him more. So, let's check the poll for the food because I am starving. It was 71% Chick-fil-A. So Danny, Chick-fil-A. Alright, let's go eat some Chick-fil-A. He's eating a salad, you guys.
Yeah, because I'm fucking healthy. Look what Abby's eating.
I'm eating a burger.
Badass.
Okay guys, I just put a poll. I almost spilled the drink. I just put a poll on my Instagram asking if if Danny should propose, not me. If Danny should propose.
There's people watching us, so we're in the corner.
We're in the corner.
Married already. She's been married for 5 months already.
Sadly. Do you think that they'll say yes or no?
Hopefully they say no.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, ooh, the sun is pretty here. Ooh,
Fix my hair.
ooh. Let's check the poll for about the poll that I put of Danny, should Danny propose? We left the mall, but I was actually planning to, if y'all would have voted yes for Danny to propose in front of like everyone in the mall. But since we left the mall and I forgot about it, so far we're like almost a tie. Like it's literally almost a tie. It's only one person that like made the difference. So
People want me to marry you?
we're gonna wait a couple more minutes, and still almost a tie, super close. Then we won't do anything. By the way, you guys, we could get literally stranded. Like Danny's like literally at the end of like the gas. Like I wish I could show you guys, but it's really hard to focus with this camera. So I'm not gonna try to focus, but we could literally get stranded. And if we do, we'll make a poll.
Abby.
Stop! Don't even play around like that.
I'm not. It's
I'll make a poll about who should push the car, me or Danny. I also put another poll, but without telling you all, I put a poll of who should put gas, because obviously we're like, the car almost died and
And
stuff.
everybody voted for me because they all fucking hate me because I'm dating Abby.
He got all butthurt. Everyone voted for Danny, except one guy. One guy said me. Okay, hi guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm already home and I forgot what was the last thing I vlogged or I recorded, so I don't really know what And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. We're so close to 400. I think we're about to hit 400. Like, we're so close. We're this close. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to share, and that's pretty much it. Bye guys.
These strangers know all the words that my shows I tell.